Want to design a beautiful cottage garden? Imagine the charm of blooming flowers, rustic paths, and chirping birds right at your doorstep. We're going to discuss the top 7 strategies to transform your space into a picturesque oasis. Stay tuned to discover the top strategies for creating your dream cottage garden. Firstly, planning your space is crucial. It's the foundation of your garden's design and functionality. Think about placement, sun exposure, and drainage. Consider the size of your plants at full growth. Remember, a well-planned garden is a beautiful garden. Secondly, choosing the right plants can make all the difference. Consider your climate, soil type, and the aesthetic you're aiming for. From roses to lavender, the perfect blooms can bring your cottage garden to life. Choose wisely, for the right plants can transform your garden. Thirdly, don't forget to incorporate paths. Picture meandering walkways, guiding your steps through the garden's heart. Such paths not only add structure, making your green haven more navigable, but they also infuse a whimsical charm. Remember, paths not only guide, but add a touch of charm. Fourthly, mixing colors and textures can create a visual feast. Think about pairing soft feathery plants with those that have bolder sculptural leaves. This can create depth, spark visual interest, and add a dynamic element to your garden. A mix of colors and textures can truly bring your garden to life. Fifthly, considering wildlife can add an extra layer of beauty. Inviting birds, bees, and butterflies creates a vibrant ecosystem, enhancing your garden's charm. They help pollinate, control pests, and offer delightful sights and sounds. A garden teeming with life is a garden full of beauty. Sixthly, adding personal touches can make your garden truly yours. Infusing elements that resonate with your persona, be it charming garden ornaments or unique DIY projects, can elevate your garden's charm, making it not just a garden, but a reflection of your personality. Lastly, keeping your garden maintained is key. Regular care keeps your cottage garden at its best, showcasing vibrant colors and lush textures. Without it, your paradise can quickly become overgrown and messy. Remember, a well-maintained garden is a joy to behold. So there you have it, the top 7 strategies for designing a beautiful cottage garden. From planning your space to maintaining it, remember that anyone can create their own little paradise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!